Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at the CCZ HiFi earbuds. As you can see, very nice unboxing experience. Pull that off and you got the earbuds right here. They look magnificent, nice and shimmering silver color. So we got 4 extra ear tips, 2 large ones, 2 smalls, and then the ones on here already are probably mediums. And here is the cord for the earbuds. As you can see, it's got that 3.5 millimeter jack on the end there. Each of the earbuds kind of has this loop to go around your ear. That's got some weight to it. Look at that kind of cool design on the back there. You can kind of see the insides. It's like acrylic on the sides there. A little bit of rubber up here so that it feels nice in the cavity of your ear. That metal right there adds a little bit of weight to it. On each of these, you got L right here, and you've got an R right here. The right earbud also has the control button, so it's a simple pause and play, then skip tracks. You have this, you have that, and just want to go ahead and connect it in like so. Just like that. And wow, right now, I'm really not hearing anything outside of these. As I'm talking, it's even hard to hear myself. So these do a very good job of noise cancellation. Let me go ahead and plug this in and we'll see how it works. All right, I've got them playing right now. These sound incredible. This is hi-fi sound. It's very high quality, a lot better than any stock earbuds I've ever tried. It's wired, so you're naturally gonna get better sound quality than wireless. It just sounds amazing. It sounds like the sound stage is front and center. I'm right there at the concert listening to. And I just like how they feel. They're super snug. These aren't going to fall out anywhere. And it really makes me feel immersed into the sound. So overall, I recommend these solo earbuds from CCZ HiFi. Thank you for watching.